सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार। Welcome to Panchatantra. Dear friends, we've been reading Panchatantra for a few months, and yesterday I said we are at the end of the first book, Mitra Bheda. We are coming to the end, close, very closely, finishing this now. This is the 16th story. Esha Shodashi Katha Asmabhihi Patyamana Vartate. तत्र त्रयोविंशति कथाः सन्ति भवन्तः जानन्ति। त्रयोविंशति कथासु षोडशी कथा पठ्यमाना वर्तते इदानीं। यत्र कर्टकदमनकयोः संवादः, कर्टकस्य दमनकस्य उपरि निन्दा, तस्य भ्रातुः दमनकस्य उपरि निन्दा, कोपः, दूषणं, एतत् सर्वमपि वयं पश्यामः। We are seeing the cursing of his brother Kartaka over Damanaka, anger of Kartaka over Damanaka, and how Damanaka plans the separation and killing of Sanjeevaka and Pingalaka. We have seen yesterday. We stopped at the point, Srinivas, where we stopped? Yeah. 403 poem, Dharmartham Yattatavapi. Then again there is a poem here. Damanaka is saying, Damanaka Gati. Yeah. Shamyatam, I said some character, but this is said by Sanjeevaka. Sanjeevaka's thoughts, these are all. On the top you can see, Tat kim karomi kva gacchami, katam me shantir bhavishyati, etc. So this is all the thinking of Sanjeevaka. Or else he says, Loke athava tanubhrutam nijakarma pakam nityam samasritavatam vihita kriyanam भावार्जितम शुभम अथ अपि अशुभम निकामम यद्भावि तद्भवति न अत्र विचार हेतु. So what he finally says that where should I go, what should I do, whether should I again go and take shelter with Pingalaka. Then he says yadbhavi tadbhavati, yad bhavitavyam asti tadbhavati, like Kalidasa saying bhavitavyanam dvarani bhavanti sarvatra. Things which are bound to happen will have openings everywhere. See, it is like a good thing destined to happen. It will happen, if not here, somewhere else. If not somewhere else, somewhere else still. If somebody is to die, if in destiny, if it is his death is written, so he will meet with his death, if not in one place, in another place. So that is what he says. Bhavitavyanam dvarani bhavanti sarvatra. What a wonderful saying. So here, loke athava tanubhrutam. In the world, in the case of the tanubhrutam, tanubhrutam means sharirinam. Tanu, sharira dharinam. Tanubhrutam. In the world, people who are having, that means people, living beings. Nityam, who always reap the fruit of their own deeds. Nityam, nijakarma pakam. Samasritavatam. Those who reap the fruit of their own karma. Nija karma, swakarma pakam. Samasritavatam. Those who have resort to or depend or reap the fruit of their own deeds in the world. All the living beings. Tanu Bhruta means Tanu Vivarti iti Tanu Bhrut. Shashti. Sharirinam. Athava Sharira Dharinam. जीवानां निजकर्म पाकं नित्यं सदा समाश्रितवतां विहितक्रियाणां निजकर्म पाकं समाश्रितानां विहितक्रियाणां. There is a patantara here. In the place of vi there is suhitakriyanam. That means who have done good activities. Suhitakriyanam samasritanam nijakarma pakam, etc. So suhita, if you take the course of whose action is well fixed, that is su means bhavarjitam. Now literally this means earned by one's own mind, innate mind. Bhavena arjitam bhavarjitam. Literally earned by the innate disposition of their minds. Bhavarjitam. Shubham athava ashubham. Whatever it is, whether it is good or bad. Ashubham bhavarjitam. Swabhavena arjitam. Otherwise, swabhavena arjitam shubham va bhavatu ashubham va bhavatu. Nikamam atyantam. Nikamam iti avyepadam. Excessively. Nikamam yad bhavi tad bhavati. So he consoling himself. Yad bhavi yad bhavitavyam tad bhavati. Na atra vichara hetu. There is nothing to feel sorry about here. If I am going to be finished, I will be getting killed. If that is there in my fate. So there is no room for reasoning out whatever is supposed to happen according to the innate disposition of mind. Bhavarjitam. So bhava here is the swabhava. Swabhavena arjitam nikamam shubham va api ashubham va tad bhavati eva. So whatever man does, he will have to pay for his deeds, good or bad. That is what this poem says. Next.
Aparancha anyatra gatasyapi me kasyachit ugrasatvasya mamsashinaha sakashan mrityur bhavishyati tadvaram simhat.
See, different thoughts before poor Sanjeeva. Sanjeevaka is a very innocent person, highly dependable friend. He says, aparamcha, one more thing, or else anyatra gatasya api me. Anyatra gatasya api me. Even if I go somewhere else, kasyachid ugrasatvasya, I may fall into the hands of something, some ugrasattva, some more ferocious animal, more ferocious than the lion himself. Ugrasatvasya mamsa ashinaha, mamsa ashinaha, another meat eater, another ferocious animal, I am sure to fall. Sakashat mrutyuhu bhavishyati. I may get mrutyu from more ferocious animal if I leave Sanjeevaka, the Pingalaka, and go over to some other place. What is the guarantee? Because I am a Shashpabhu. I am a herbivorous. Sakashat mrityur bhavishyati. Tat, therefore, varam simhat. Simhat varam maranam. It is better to have death from my friend and guardian, otherwise my lord. Simhat varam maranam. He says, Uktam cha.
Mahadvis sparthamanasya vipadeva gariyasi dantabhango pinagana shlagyo girividarani.
So he is backing up his statement. It is better to die with near this Pingalaka than some other ferocious animal. Mahadbhihi spardhamanasya vipadeva gariyasi. Mahadbhihi purushaihi spardhamanasya vipada eva gariyasi. Vipadeva gariyasi. The calamity vipada gariyasi is more, the calamity is more superior. Gariyasi is great. Vipadeva gariyasi. What vipada? Mahadbhihi spardhamanasya. The calamity that is born out of competing with great people. That is to say, I, Sanjivaka, should die at the hands of more superior animal. Mahadbihi Purushaihi Spardhamanasya, competing, Spardha is competing, Spardhamanasya Vipadeva Gariyasi. That Vipada, that calamity which comes around by competing with great people is welcome. See, competition with the great is a danger may come out of it, but that is welcome. Why? Danta bhangaha api naganam gajanam. Gajanam danta bhangaha api shlagyaha is praiseworthy. See, the elephants go and when they have some itching sensation, they go and rub against the mountains. Danta bhangaha api naganam shlagyo giri vidarane. They try to, because of some itching sensation, they may go and try to scrap against the mountain, giri vidarane. They can't break they may try to break, in the sense they may try to get some ease. So, and in the process they may lose their tooth, danta bhanga may take place. So, in course of trying to literally here giri vidarana means tearing the mountain. How can the elephants tear up the mountain? When they have some sensation, they go and do that. We have to understand. And in the process, they lose their tooth. Even that is welcome, he says. You fight against the stronger enemy, like the elephant taking on with the mountain. Yes. Shlagyaha, danta bhangaha, even breaking of the tooth is also highly praiseworthy. That is what it is. Both poems are with Gaja only. It's an observation with the elephants here. Mahataha api kshayam labdhva. Mahataha shatroho api. Mahataha shatroho api kshayam nasham labdhva. Getting defeated from a great enemy. Srinivas. Slagam nichaha api gacchati. Nichaha api purushaha slagam gacchati. Becomes praiseworthy. Getting defeated from a mightier enemy, even a low fellow becomes praiseworthy. Oh, he really gave a fight. What a fight he gave, though not capable. Understand? Nichaha api slagam gacchati means he goes to be praised. By doing what action? Mahata api kshayam labdva. By getting even defeated from the great people. Now the example given here is Danarthi Danasya arthi madhupaha madhu pibati iti madhupaha. The honeybee which goes to gets attracted to the dana, the what do you call intoxication that comes, oozes from the elephant. Dana is a kind of intoxication which oozes from the elephant. Danarthi is an adjective here. Danarthi means seeking the what do you call rat, it is called in rat, drops of rat oozing from the temples of the Gaja. Dhanarthi madhupaha yadvat, just like Gajakarna samahataha. When this madhupa goes over to taste the dana or the rat, intoxication oozing from the, what happens when it goes there? The elephant smashes it with his ear, and in the process it gets killed. Yadvat, just like Gajakarna samahataha, Gajakarnena samahataha, madhupaha. Like a honeybee which gets killed, Srinivas, which gets killed, samahata means get beaten by the ears of the elephants when it goes to taste the dana. So, better I die at the hands of my Lord, etc. Evam nischitya.
Evam nischitya sa skhalita गतिर्नु मन्दं मन्दं गत्वा सिंहाश्रयं पश्यन् अपठत् अहो साभिर्मुच्यते.
एवं, so this manner, evam prakarena nischitya, having decided, sa nama atra sanjivakaha skhalita gatihi. Look at the movement. When there is tension in the mind, man cannot walk properly. Srinivas, skhalita gatihi. Skhalita gati means faltering in his walking. When this is about animal, but here when there is tension in the head, our walking style also changes. No, there will be no proper walking style. There will be faltering. Man will be like an intoxicated man, will not take steps properly. Skhalita gatihi. Faltering in his walking. Mandam mandam gatva, slowly going over. Simhashrayam pashyan, looking to the Simhasya Ashrayam shelter. Apatat, Pashyan apatat, aho sadhu idam uchyate, looking for the shelter of this Simha. It said, rightly it is said.
Samadirudanda danda pariyanto nayah prokta swayam bhuva tesham dandasya papiyam tam pascha.
Where are you reading, Srinivas? No, not that. Antarlina Bhujangam, 230 page. You are reading something else. Aho sadhu idam uchyate. After that, 230 page. Antarlina Bhujangamam gruhamiva. That sloka.
That page is missing.
Missing, huh? 230?
230.
Surely?
Yeah.
Just check once. They have to be shown.
Page
Otherwise.
is not there. I'll upload and show. Wait.
No, you can just check one second. Check with your book, Srinivas.
In my book it is this. I read from it.
Yeah, read. Please read it.
Antarlina bhujangamam gruhamiva
Vyalakulam
vavanam grahakirna vivabhihi
Mivabhirama Kamalam.
Chayasanatham saraha nityam dushta janaira satya vachana आसक्तैर्नार्यैर्भृतं दुःखेन प्रतिगम्यते प्रचकितैः राज्ञां गृहं
वार्धिवत् दुःखेन प्रतिगम्यते प्रचकितैः राज्ञां गृहं वार्धिवत्. Vardhihi means like the ocean. Varidhihi, Vardhihi, both are same. Like you know the word Varidhihi. Varidhihi means ocean. Vardhihi also means ocean. Both are pullinga shabdas. Vardhivat samudravat. Dukkena pratigamyate prachakitaihi rajñam gruham. So the home of the king is approached with difficulty by people terrified, you know. Here he says, the home, the royal house is like that of sea, which is resorted to by wicked people and is approached with difficulty, etc. So we will come back from the top. Antarleenam bhujangamam gruhamiva. Now, Srinivas, the subject in this poem is Rajñam Gruham. Rajñam, Rajnaha Rajnoho Rajñam, Nrupanam Bhupalanam Gruham. Katham etesham Rajñam Gruham Bhavati. How is the home of the kings? He is giving several examples here. Antarleena Bhujangamam Gruhamiva. It is like a home, it is like a house where snakes are hiding. Antarleena Bhujangamam Gruhamiva. It is like a home. The home of the kings is like a home full of snakes. Vyalakulam va vanam. Now Vyalakulam, like a vanam, forest filled with wild beasts. Vyala means Vyalo Dushta Gaje Sarpe. So like a forest filled with either intoxicated elephants or beasts or serpents. We can take Vyala means here wild animals. So Vyala, Vyalaihi Akulam Purnam Va Vanam, like a forest filled with wild beasts. The home, Rajnam Gruham evam asti iti. Graha Akirnamiva. It is like a pond filled, Akirnam Purnamiva Grahaihi, crocodiles. What type of pond it is? Graha Akirnamiva Abhirama Kamala Chaya Sanatam Saraha. Saraha, like a pond which has Abhirama Kamala, beautiful lotuses, filled with beautiful lotuses, but at the same time full of crocodiles. See, externally Abhirama Kamala, they will be appearing, but inside this Graha Kirna miva Abhirama Kamala Chaya Sanatam Saraha. So, under the shade of the Kamala lotuses, these crocodiles are lurking underneath. You can imagine what a deadly scene that. Like a pond beautifully decorated with lotus beds, and underneath crocodiles, lurking crocodiles, Saraha. Nityam, always, Dushta Janaihi, Asatya Vachana. Now, the home of Rajnam Gruham, again the subject Srinivas, the home of the kings is always occupied by Asatya Janaihi, sycophants we say. The king is always circled by sycophants. Nityam Dushta Janaihi Asatya Vachana Saktaihi. Asatya Vachana Saktaihi, those who are given to uttering false. Wicked people who are given to lying all the time. Dushta Janaihi Asatya Vachana Saktaihi Anaryayihi, uncultured. Anaryayihi Vrutam, Avrutam. Rajnam Gruham Nityam evam bhavati. Dushta Janaihi Asatya Vachana Saktaihi. Rhyming, Asatya Vachana Saktaihi, who are always given to attach it to speaking lies. Anaryayihi, everything is Trutiya. Anaryayihi, Asamskrutaihi, Vrutam, Avrutam, Dukkhena Pratigamyate. Therefore, such a house is approached with great difficulty. Dukkhena Pratigamyate, Prachakitaihi, Bhitaihi. Prachakitaihi means Bhitaihi, Bhayabhitaihi. Rajnam Gruham Vardhivat, and therefore the home of the kings is like Varidhivat, like an ocean. Like ocean also, at the surface level it is very good, but if you go deep there will be so many Jalajanta, aquatic animals, sharks may be there, crocodiles may be there, like that. Here the king's home, palace is compared with the Varidhi, ocean. It is very, very dangerous. But what to do? I am going. Still I am going. That is what the Sanjivaka says. Evam
Manakoktaakaram Indaham Društva Prachakitaha Samvrata Shariro Durataram Pranam Krutim
Vinapi Upavishta.
Ingalakopi Tathavidam Tam Vilokya Damanaka Vakyam Shraddhadhanaha Kopat Tasyopari Papata.
Evam Patan. Patan means, thinking. And thinking to himself, saying to himself. Patan literally means reading, but see. So, Evam Chintayan. Thinking like this. Damanaka Ukta Akaram. Now, Damanaka already described how will Pingalaka be when you approach him? He will be very Ugra Rupa. He will be very angry, etc. Some scene was created. So, Damanaka Ukta Varnita. Ukta means Varnita Akaram. He found Pingalaka as described by Damanaka. Pingalakam Drustva, seeing Pingalaka, Prachakitaha, he was taken aback. He was alarmed. Prachakitaha. Samvruta Shariraha, and immediately he contracted his body. In fear, you withdraw, a kind of withdrawing within yourself. Samvruta Shariraha. That is, he literally withdrew into himself. Durataram, to a distance. Pranama Krutim Vina, without making this customary salute. Pranama Akrutim Vina. Generally, when anybody comes near the king, immediately pranama is done. Pranama Akrutim Vina api upavishta. Without saluting the king, withdrawing into himself, being alarmed, being scared, he sat in some place. Durataram upavishta, he sat in a distant place. Pingalakaha api. Now final confrontation between the two best friends brought about by Damanaka. So this Sanjivaka watched all these things and sat in a distant place. Pingalakaha api tathavidam tam vilokya. Tathavidam is very important here, this word. Tathavidam, yathavidam, yatha Damanakena uktam. Damanaka gave a description of this Sanjivaka, that Sanjivaka is going to attack you like this, etc. Tathavidam tam Sanjivakam vilokya. Finding Sanjivaka as described by Damanaka, Damanaka Vakyam Shraddadana, believing in Damanaka's words now, recalling to him his mind the words of Damanaka. Kopat, now comes to the final action. Srinivas. Kopat tasya upari papata apatat. Papata means fell, apatat. Tasya upari Sanjivakasya upari papata. Kopat, out of anger, he leaped upon the Sanjivaka. Khara nakara vikartita prushtaha.
Vikartita prushtaha shungabhyam tadu udaram
ullikhya. Kathamapi
tasmad apetaha shungabhyam hantumichan yat bhadaya
Antumichan Yuddhaya Avastitaha. Okay. Now war started, Srinivas. Mitra Bheda has started. Pingalaka at once fell on the body of Sanjivaka. Atha then Sanjivakaha Khara Nakara. Nakara means sharp. Tikshna. Khara means the nails. Khara Nakara Tikshna Vikartita Prushtaha. His Prushthabhaga back was torn open with the sharp nails of the lion. Pingalaka. Khara Nakara Tikshna Nakaihi Vikartita. You can see the word Vikartita, torn, was cut open. Vikartita Prushtaha Sanjivakaha. Shrungabhyam, when his Prushthabhaga was torn open, he became angry and then he tried to Shrungabhyam with his horns. Tad udaram ullikya. He also damaged king, lion. Shrungabhyam tad means tasya Pingalakasya udaram ulle, tore open the abdomen, stomach of the lion. It is as we see in animal world, Tasya udaram ullikya. And then he also, he tore the Pingalaka's abdomen. Kathamapi, somehow, Kathamapi means somehow, Tasmat Pingalakat apetaha. He rescued himself. He came away from the grip of the Pingalaka. Pingalaka tasmat apetaha Shrungabhyam hantu vichan. Again wanting to kill Pingalaka with his horns. in a straight combat, lions cannot win over bulls. Bulls are also very mighty, especially jungle bulls. With with one hit, lion will be thrown somewhere. Such is the power of the bull also. So Srungabhyam Hantumichan Yuddhaya Avastitaha. Again Sanjivaka stood there to kill Pingalaka. Even though his back was completely shattered and he himself gave a big tearing into the abdomen of the king. Yuddhaya Krutanischaya. Now I am reminded. Yuddhaya Avastitaha Atha. Pushpita Palasha Pratimau
Parasparam Vadhakamshino Društva Karatakaha Sakshepam Damanakam Laha Go Mudhamate Anayor Virodham
Vitanvata
Tvaya Sadhuna Kutam Najatvam Niti Tattvam
Vetsi. Okay, you can pause there. Now the scene is like this, Srinivas. Already Sanjivaka has been hurt. Sanjivaka in turn tore open the stomach of the Pingalaka, and Sanjivaka is waiting to further attack with his Shunga. Atha then Dvau api tau Pingalaka Sanjivakau tau Pushpita Palasha Pratimau. What a comparison here. Pushpita, like a flowering, Palasha is a red flower. They looked very reddish, like a Palasha leaf. Both, in anger makes people red. So he is comparing, poetry comes to mind of Vishnu Sharma here. Both looked like the Palasha, red Palasha flower. Pushpita, Palasha Pratimau, Parasparam mutually Vadhakamshino. Both were intending to kill each other. Lion wanted to kill the Sanjivaka. Sanjivaka was also not in any way retreating. Vadhakamshino Društva. Now, at this point, Karataka Damanaka are there. Seeing both of them like this, reddish like this, Karatakaha, the brother, Sakshepam, blaming in a Akshepena, Dushanena, Damanakam aha, his brother, Karataka said, cursing to his brother, Bho Mudamati. What a wonderful Mudamati, Vajagovindam. Bho Mudamati, oh foolish fellow. Anayoho Virodham Vitanvata. Anayoho Dvayoho Mitrayoho Virodham Vairam Vitanvata. Vitanvata means by extending enmity between these two best friends. Tvaya sadhuna krutam. You have not done proper thing. Nachatvam niti tattvam vetsi. And moreover, you don't know the right policy. Nachatvam niti tattvam vetsi. You don't know the right policy, he says.
Samshamayanti niti kushalaka samnaiva te mantrinaha nissaraipa phalanine
Tvavidhina
vanshati danto dyamaihi tesham durnaya cheshtitair narapater praropyate shri stulam.
Yeah, Gambhira Bhava Artha is there. He says you don't know the right policy. You don't know because you are brought about this war, he says, because Karyani Uttama uttama danda sahasa phalan ayasa sadhyani. Now the whole first line is karyani. Which is karyani. Uttama means ugra. Danda here means not punishment in this particular. Danda means the attack. Like in the Chaturvida Purusha, that Samadana Bheda Dandopaya. First you go for Sama. Sama is the best thing. Then Dana. If not Veda, then Danda. So Danda Upaya here it is. Otherwise in Rajaniti Shastra, Danda Niti means Danda also means punishment. But here it is attack. That is how we have to understand. Karyani Uttama Ugra. That is always Danda is Ugra. Uttama here means Ugra. It is technically used here. Uttama Danda Sahasa. Sahasa is very risky. Sahasa Phalani. Phalani Ayasa Sadhyani. See, the works which are very Karyani Uttama, which are achieved by a fearsome attack on the enemy, things which are achieved by the, so now next line will be ye. Now this is important. Ye Pritya, those who Pritya with love and affection, Samshamayanti Sadhayanti. Samshamayanti means Sadhayanti. Niti Kushalaha. The subject here is Ye Niti Kushalaha. Those Niti Kushalaha, Nito Kushalaha, Nito Panditaha Ye Janaha Santi Mantrinaha. Those ministers who are experts in the Niti Shastra policies. Ye Niti Kushalaha Kim Kurvanti Sadhayanti. Pritya Sadhayanti. They achieve things with love and affection. What type of works? Works Karyani, which otherwise are very fierce in nature and which are risky. Sahasa Phalani, which are with risk. Ayasa Sadhyani, and works which are very achievable with a lot of effort. Such things Pritya Samshamayanti Sadhayanti. Who achieve with love and affection? Niti Kushalaha. Niti Kushalaha Mantrinaha. Niti Kushalaha Sachivaha. Etadrushani Ayasa Sadhyani Kashtapuritani Upariuktani Karyani Sadhayanti. Katam Sadhayanti? Pritya Sadhayanti. Samnaivate Mantrina. And also Pritya, there are two Trutiyas here. Pritya Samna Eva. Look at this word. Samopayena Eva. Samna. Saman Shabda. Napumsaka. Samna Trutiya Ekavachanam. Samna Eva. With love and affection and also with Sama. Not even Dana, etc. Samnaiva te mantrinaha. Those mantris. Nissaralpa phalani yetu avidhina vanchanti. But yetu, now look at this word ye. But on the other hand, ye, those people, nissara alpa phalani. Nissara artha rahitani, without any sara, meaningless. Alpa phalani, little, giving little result. Nissara alpa phalani yetu avidhina. Here this sandhi anadishan yetu. But on the other hand, those people who want to achieve meaningless and very short, what do you call, alpa phalani means short-coming results, to avidhina, avidhina with a wrong method. Avidhina means with a wrong method. Vanchanti, we wish. But people who want shortcut method, Srinivas. People who want to achieve things in a shortcut manner with all wrong methods. Avidhina vanchanti. Danda udyamaihi. Taking to the fine. Now there are two things here in this sloka. One is Sama. Samna Pritya. Adepts in Niti Nipunaha Samna Pritya sadhayanti karyani. Kidrushani karyani, first line is saying that. On the other hand, etu, but those people who want to have fast results, that is what. Nissara alpapalani etu avidina, through wrong methods, vanchanti danda udyamaihi, by directly attacking. They don't go through this method, the procedure of samadana, veda, danda. No, there are some people who skip this three and go to the final danda. Dandodyamaihi, danda udyamaihi tesham durnaya chestitai, because of their wrong policies. Tesham durnaya chestitaihi krutyaihi, durnaya chestitaihi, durnayarudhaihi chestitaihi narapatehe. Such people, that means there are two types of ministers with the king. Some ministers are very calculated, very cool, and they go by the Shastra. They apply love and affection and sama upaya they apply and they achieve the thing. There are some who want to have fast results and directly go to the danda upaya. So, with such people, durnaya chestitaihi narapatehe nrupasya aropyate shrihi tulam. That means king's fame will be hanged, will be put to criticism. Tulam means it will be put to balance. Yeah, tulam means tulaba. King's prosperity or famous prosperity or fame will be put to judgment. Tulam means judgment. So that means such ministers like Damanaka, put the king in dock, and etc. So that is the roundabout, poem is like that. Tad, he is saying. Karataka is saying, Karataka.
Tadyadi swami avidya abhigato bhavishyati tadkim tadiyam
mantra buddhya
kriyate ata sanjivakaha na vadyate tathapi abhavyam yataha prana sandehat tasya cha vadaha tanmudha katam tvam
tanmudha sambodhana
tanmudha katam tvam
mantrapadam abhilashasi
sama siddhim
na vetsi.
tad vruttha manoratheyam te dandaluchehe uktam cha.
Now Karataka is totally abusing, condemning his brother. Tad yadi, so if on the other hand, Srinivas, tad yadi swami abhigataha bhavishyati. Swami, Sandhi is no?
Yes.
Swami abhigataha maritaha bhavishyati. Supposing Pingalaka gets killed, then what happens? Tat kim tvadiya mantra buddhya kriyate. Then what will you do with your mantra buddhi? You say you have so much of policy in your mind. Where will your mantra buddhi go? Atha, or sanjivakaha na vadyati. Supposing, or else Sanjivaka is not killed. Sanjivaka also somehow survives. Na vadyati. Tatapi abhavyam means anuchitameva. Even that is not, because Sanjivaka will take revenge on you also. Because you did it, he come to know. Tatapi abhavyam means anuchitam. Yataha, because prana sandehat tasya cha vadaha. Now prana sandehas means here Sanjivaka has a doubt of living. Living is doubtful because Prushtavaga is completely torn off. He is sure to die. On the other hand, king is also sure to die because his stomach is upset. Now, what are you achieving? If the king is gone, where is your post? And then he has a doubt. If Sanjivaka survives, he is not killed, but Sanjivaka will be killed. That is what this line says. Yataha prana sandeha tasya cha vadaha. Anyway, Sanjivaka will be killed. His doubt, because prana, on account of his having his life being in danger. His life is in sandeha. Why in Sandeha? Because it has been already attacked by the lion. So Sanjeevaka will die. Tanmooda, therefore over. Tanmooda, O fool, katam tvam mantri padam abhilashasi. How are you, my foolish brother? How are you aspiring for the position of mantri pada? Now the situation is such that king is likely to die. Sanjeevaka is also likely to die. Katham mantri padam abhilashasi. Sama siddhim na vetsi. Karnataka is insisting on Sama upaya. Sama siddhim na vetsi. You don't know the power of Sama upaya. You could have done that through mutual talk. Sama siddhim na vetsi. Tad vrutha manoratha ayam. Your manoratha, your desire is going to be wasted. Vrutha manorato ayam te danda ruchehe. You have only interest in danda, attacking. And that is going to be wasted. Uktam cha. Okay. Fine. See.